When it comes to screen size, these devices are incredibly consistent. You're getting a large, immersive canvas across the board, perfect for all your media. No real winners or losers here, just great viewing. Resolution-wise, it's a clean sweep. All three deliver incredibly sharp and vibrant visuals. Expect crisp text and stunning images, offering a consistently high-quality viewing experience across the board. Dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10+ across the board. Vibrant colors, super smooth scrolling. Pure visual bliss. S26 FE gets Victus Plus protection. S25 FE adds Vision Booster. S24 FE brings adaptive refresh. Small but welcome upgrades. Here's where the S26 FE truly shines. Its Exynos 2500, built on a more efficient 3nm process, promises a significant leap in power and efficiency over the 4nm Exynos 2400/2400E and the others. The S26 FE's new Cortex-X5 core brings a significant boost in raw processing power. While the others are still very capable, the S26 FE offers superior performance for demanding apps and multitasking. For graphics, the S26 FE takes the crown with its Xclipse 950. Gamers, this is your pick for smoother frame rates and more detailed visuals. The S25 FE and S24 FE both feature the capable Xclipse 940. Benchmarks clearly show the S26 FE is a performance beast, with a massive lead in Antutu. This translates to incredibly smooth operation, instant app loading, and effortless multitasking, leaving its predecessors behind. For cameras, the foundation is incredibly strong across the board. The 50MP main sensor with OIS and dual-pixel PDF guarantees stunning photos, even in challenging conditions. The S26 FE refines that sensor slightly, but the difference is subtle. The 8MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom and the 12MP ultra-wide are virtually identical on all three, offering impressive versatility for everything from epic landscapes to detailed portraits. You're getting a consistently powerful and reliable triple camera system, so no matter which FE you pick, your photos will look fantastic. For video, all record in stunning 8K. But the S25 FE stands out with 4K at 120 frames per second, perfect for epic slow motion. The S26 FE refines 8K options, while the S24 FE offers super slow motion at 720p. The S25 FE shines with its ProVisual engine and a suite of AI features like instant slow-mo and night portrait. The S26 FE adds circle to search and object eraser, making on-device editing even easier. For selfie lovers, the S26 FE and S25 FE share a superior 12MP sensor with dual-pixel PDF, delivering sharper photos and lightning-fast focus. The S24 FE's 10MP sensor is still good, but the newer models offer a clear quality leap. Your selfies will truly pop. For battery life, the S26 FE and S25 FE offer more capacity, translating to longer endurance for your busiest days. The S24 FE is still decent, but the newer models provide that extra peace of mind. S26 FE offers 7 years of updates and deep Galaxy AI. S25 FE also packs a strong AI suite. Future-proof and smart. With similar prices, the S26 FE, with its upgrades, offers the best value. Maximum bang for your buck.